Neuroscientists have looked into this. Our left brain hemisphere is heavily involved in processing language, understanding syntax, and the literal meanings of words. But when it comes to getting the humor in a pun, especially that moment of aha, I see the double meaning, the right hemisphere often kicks in. The right side is more associated with understanding ambiguity, appreciating subtleties, and grasping the bigger picture or the unexpected twist. So, a good or bad pun gets both sides of your brain talking to each other. It's a mini mental workout. Your brain has to detect the ambiguity, hold the two different meanings in mind simultaneously, and then understand how they create that surprising, often silly, connection. That little bit of cognitive effort and the subsequent resolution can actually be quite satisfying, even if the joke itself is objectively terrible. It's like solving a tiny, ridiculous puzzle. Now let's bring in the dad jokes. While many dad jokes are puns, they also have their own special flavor. They're often characterized by their predictability, their straightforwardness, and sometimes their sheer, unapologetic lack of sophisticated wit. What do you call cheese that isn't yours? Nacho cheese. The beauty, or perhaps the defining feature, of a dad joke is that you can often see the punchline coming from a mile away, or it's so obvious that the surprise is in its very lack of surprise. This predictability plays an interesting role. Our brains are wired to recognize patterns and make predictions. It helps us navigate the world efficiently. When a dad joke follows a very familiar, almost formulaic structure, our brain kind of goes, yep, knew that was coming. This can be humorous in its own right, a sort of meta humor where we're laughing at the type of joke as much as the joke itself. It's an expectation fulfilled, even if that expectation was for something groan-worthy.